will not use this speed switch yet until they completely fix it, but you can set the power to the engines and the power off with the two buttons, because you'll need those especially when turning. So if we go into the more section, go to the options, go to key bindings, you'll notice in plane I have all these bindings right now. Beforehand I had none. What I had to do was make sure I wake up my joystick, just switch from common to plane, and that will make this available over here. So for instance, yaw right is turning right. It took a couple tries, but I tried it. I went back and did this, and I tried it again, and it was set. So you need to set it a couple times. It seems like it's just a little bit slow. For fire, you have your button right there. For switch weapons, I decided to go with for switch weapons, I decided to go with button 20, this one. You can try to set your other buttons for whatever way you do it. I have exit vehicle and parachute set, so I can jump out and parachute down if I get into trouble flying. But as you can see here, for throttle up, I have this button because when you turn, you need to have the throttle up. And it works fine actually. And this is throttle down, button 14 right here. But your pitch up and down sets, your chase camera, pull down on this hat, and you get to be out of the vehicle, looking from behind. But if you're having trouble getting these to work, you need to go common, back to plane, get to where you got to go, and set. It will set, but you might have to go back and forth a few times. And good luck with that until they get a fix. Alright, well, give it a try and let me know if it works. This is again the Thrustmaster 16,000 M, I believe, or T, I'm not sure, but I'm assuming the Logitech would be similar. Good luck.